Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. I'm here with another vibration video. So, hi, what a month we've got. It's like everything is piling up. We have so much different frequencies, different colors. What we are experiencing in the world is like piling up. It's like all the particles, a lot of particles, all particles wants to get free. When you liberate like dense particles, it's gonna scatter like this. But it's very important it does. So everything what happens is important in your life now. You have to look at different angles. That's very important. Because what now happens with many people is that it's a period of that many density is piling up into the body, into the energetic body, and then it's like there are little eruptions. The eruptions can go through physical body, through emotional body, but also through mental body. And especially when how do you say that? When we are not aligned, there are a lot of eruptions because it has to go through diseases. And one of the eruptions we have a lot in this period, because in the conscious, in the collective consciousness, there is a lot of anger. There is a lot of victimism, and there's perpetrator. Am I victimer? And am I a victim or am I a perpetrator? And this is the question you have to ask yourself. We are both, to be honest. And this is the period where we have to feel and figure out our goblin, I would say. That's the one who will show you your darkness, because you need to know your darkness so that you can master your light. And this is what we do. We all have to do that. We have to master the light. And many people are infected by the anger of the collective. And especially people who retained their anger for many years. They will find a victim to explode to, and they will project it to one person. You might be that person because you are a light worker. So many light workers that are aligning now will have to deal with, am I staying in the light or am I going into the dark? And this is the period where we have to be strong, where we have to take care of ourselves, but also be protected. We have to use our protections, and one of the biggest protection is you have to always stay aligned. You cannot go into the angers of other people. You cannot be the victim of other people's anger. And this is what is very important to understand, that we are this particle of a star. We can use that particle now in these days, because this particle is getting bigger and bigger. That's why the light is growing. But the more the light is growing, the more the dark parts of yourself are emerging. Dark parts can be, or dense parts can be whatever. It can be traumas that you got in your life and never talked about it. And everything what happens will make sure that your particle is going bigger and bigger. It's about the light. It's not about the darkness. It's not about the anger. It's not about the grief. It's about that particle in yourself, that is the divine particle in you that is growing. And people will give you the opportunity, even when they are enraged or when they are intruding your life or whatever. But try to look at it like this, because these are dense periods and it will go on. But when we have the Feast of Light on the 20 and 21 of December, you have to know that this particle, that divine spark, is is gaining a lot. But if you are conscious in that, you can stay in that, you know, to gather yourself together with other people who can reinforce your divine being. You have to be with people who believe in you. You have to be people in your communities. And that's why on the 20th, I will do a very big, how do you say it? I will do a big event, and I will try to go online as well to reinforce your particle. And it's gonna be a Zoom session, a very short Zoom session for free, so that you can focus on that particle, on that divine particle. This is my Christmas gift to you, because I really want us to be coming together in community. And one of the things is very important as well in this period is that you have the belief. Believe in yourself, because you are here on this planet for some reason. Don't be attached to other persons or material or whatever. Just focus on that divine particle. And with Christmas, this is like Christmas time. So I wish you a really good Christmas, because I have to go and work. And I see you soon. Thank you so much. Love and light for you.